What's up, goodies? Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen. But I'm not in my kitchen, you guys. I'm actually sitting in my daughter's kitchen today. And your girl is here with another food review. Now, if you're here for your first time, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please be sure to thumbs up the videos on your way in. This is how we support the channel, and this is how you support the girl, okay? Now, I'm going to go two places today. But I did go into Starbucks here. And I did pick up the mango and lemon. I don't know if I know this, but this is what I got in Starbucks. Don't ask me how much it was because this was a treat for my daughter. But I love it. I've had it many times. And it's pretty good. Now I did go into Walmart, you guys. So this is where this review is from, Walmart. This is what we're going to do. Try out Walmart chicken. I did get the mac and cheese, some veggies, and some wings. And I paid $7.47 for the meal, is what I paid. So, I hear people are talking about Walmart food, say it good. So I decided, this is actually my first time eating anything that's already cooked in Walmart. Well, I didn't know, that's a lie. I did eat their rotisserie chicken before, the lemon pepper one. But you can come, Data one pass through. Data can pass through, people.
I got this. Hi, everybody.
What's that? Oh, you just get this?
Oil lip gloss.
Oh, wow, you just
It's
get this?
oil lip gloss. Yeah, I got that. Which one do you want?
Oh, one may I get?
Yeah.
Me get that one then.
You want that one?
Okay. The one that will look red.
It's really nice.
Alright, Data, give me this. Don't ask me where it's from. Oh, wait, who made this?
From Temu, y'all.
Oh, Temu.
Yeah.
Okay, this from Temu, you guys.
Yeah.
I said, look.
Yeah.
Thank you, Laura.
You're welcome.
Oh, let me show them the one where you So this is the one that daughter is going to get.
Yes,
Right.
For Starbucks.
Yeah, what name? Let me know what name.
What is this?
It's
The
a mango.
dragon fruit.
Oh, dragon fruit.
Lemonade.
Oh yeah, so this is mango dragon fruit. I never know if I tell us about the dragon fruit business, but I know it said mango on there and lemon.
Fruit with lemon.
And it's really good.
So good. Try it.
Yeah, try it from Starbucks. It's nice. So this is how with Tamu lip gloss. What you pay for this?
Tamu is cheap, so it's like $2 or something.
Oh, them a piece?
Yeah, a piece.
Oh, damn, this cheap, y'all.
It's lip oil.
It looks cute.
So it lasts longer than just lip gloss, you guys. Yeah.
Okay.
And it's more moisturizing.
Let's see how it smells.
Yeah. It doesn't have a smell. I don't think it does.
No smell.
Let me try. Let's see what.
Actually, it smells like peppermint.
Really?
It smells like mint, yeah. Let me see. It's thick.
You just need a little bit. And that's it. Just a little bit when your lips are ashy.
Just a little bit, you guys, because if you can buy this, it's thick.
Yeah. Not supposed to eat it, mama, or anything like that. But it's make your lips soft,
it tastes
right?
like mint. Peppermint. Peppermint.
Yeah, I don't have no.
It's a cherry oil.
Yeah, cherry oil.
Color Reviver lip glow oil. Okay, so this is peppermint.
Okay.
It tastes good.
Well, I see y'all enjoy the review.
Daughter never get no food from Walmart. Yeah, she didn't get it. But I did get some wings, is what I got. And the mac and cheese and the potato wedgie. So let's go thumbnail here. Okay, so that looks good. That's how my thumbnail. Alright, so I do have some Chick-fil-A sauce. This one is the sweet, spicy, this was sriracha sauce or whatever the hell that's called, okay? Correct me if I'm wrong. And then I have some honey mustard sauce here, also from Chick-fil-A. I love blue cheese though. But you know what, you guys? I want to try the wings before we go any further without any sauce. So this is what the wings look like. Okay, so this is their flats. Let me try it. Mm. It's okay. It's okay. Um, it's okay. It's overrated, but it's okay. It is okay, you guys. Maybe it's just me. Let me try it with some of this Chick-fil-A sauce. Maybe that's vegetables. That may give it a buzz. Um, confession, I do not like flats at all. I prefer this part of my wings. This is some already I pick up this, right? I don't like flats. I don't like flats, you guys. I don't like flats. But just think the flats have a lot of skin business going on. So let's just say we won't be eating any more of the flats, okay? But I want to taste it though with the sauce. Good, sometimes I wonder, you know, how comes me have meat on my body because I'm picky with my food. You know what I'm saying? Hey, who's crying? That's Blue. My daughter has two cats. Um, Blue is the boy and Destiny is the girl. And they're spoiled, but I love them. Alright, so this is the sauce on the chicken. I'm gonna taste that up. Taste better with the sauce. In case you want to know what the sauce tastes like, the sauce is tangy but sweet at the same time. Tangy in the word, a little bit spicy, but not what I can't handle. I don't know something I like spice. Alright, so so I guess you should give me 4 flats, okay? And 2 of the drum part. You're supposed to give me 3 drum, 2 flats, 3 flats, but that's okay. So this is the flat, this is the other part, the drum part. Let's put some of that sauce on it. It's okay, though. The fat there, I can't, I don't know. Alright. It's okay. Alright, let's try the mac and cheese. Alright, so this is what that looks like. Okay. Mm-hmm. Right. It's okay. Alright, let's try the wedgie. It's not a wedgie. Mm. Alright, so here we go. Mm. That's good. Alright, y'all. I'm not going to eat any more of this. It's time for us to rate this meat, right? Alright, so we don't give it a 1 to a 10. We'll give it a 1 to a 5, right? From a 1 to a 5, it's a 2. For some reason, it just seems a little bit fatty. I don't know why. Maybe that's me. The chicken just seems a little bit fatty. Have a lot of fat under the skin. The wedges are overdone. It has absolutely no flavor. The mac and cheese is extremely disgusting. It doesn't taste like cheese. It tastes like some kind of sauce of some sort. Let me explain the sauce feeling upon the mac and cheese. The mac and cheese tastes like some kind of a cream without any flavor at all. It not taste good. So the meal is a 2, and if it was from a 1 to a 10, it would have been a 2. So this is how I rate the food from Walmart. Now they do have nuggets and other things. They have mashed potatoes and fried jalapeno peppers. They have corn, beans, different types of chicken. They have boneless chicken. They have teriyaki and all them. They have a lot of variety of stuff. But I felt like I wanted to be safe and had some wings, breaded wings. They do have barbecue wings, and I think they have what else did they have as far as the wings is concerned? I think they have lemon pepper, no, parmesan, I think it is, chicken wings, but a whole lot of salt upon that. I could have tell already said salty. So I didn't want that, and I didn't want to have the buffalo one because they said that was spicy. So I decided to go with something that I felt more comfortable with. But from a 1 to a 10 or a 1 to a 5, it's a 2. Okay? This is how I rate it. If it wasn't for this right here, I probably wouldn't eat it. But that is it, you guys. Again, this is not another food review from Walmart. So please go ahead and thumbs up this video and show your love and support. I'll see you in the next one. Either another food review or another cooking video. Whatever. Whatever the story go, okay? Walk good, take care of yourself, and remember, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy. Bye, guys. Bye.